Hello and welcome to the monthly overview of our funds in April. Let's start by taking a look at the performance of our equity funds. SKAGEN Global ended the month down slightly, just ahead of its benchmark index, while SKAGEN Kontiki was in positive territory, but 1 percentage point behind its benchmark index. Year to date, both equity funds have delivered good absolute performance, and SKAGEN Global is just behind its index. Now, let's take a look at the main drivers of the fund's performance during the month. For SKAGEN Global, China Unicom, Microsoft and Lundin Mining were the best monthly contributors to absolute performance. China Unicom reported full year 2014 figures in line with expectations. General Motors, Tyco International and Samsung Electronics were the three main detractors from performance. For SKAGEN Kontiki, the semi-public Brazilian energy corporation Petrobras and the Hungarian biotech and pharmaceutical company SKAGEN were the best monthly contributors to absolute performance. Petrobras reported their long-awaited figures for the full year 2014, thus avoiding a debt default. The company also announced sharp cuts in planned investments, which will improve the cash position and make the debt situation manageable. At the bottom of the contributors list, we find Mahindra & Mahindra, Samsung Electronics and Bharti Airtel. Now, let's take a look at one of the companies that has been in the SKAGEN portfolio for several years. Some of SKAGEN's all-time best investments have originated in South Korea. Nevertheless, emerging markets companies generally have historically been criticized for not being shareholder-friendly and have paid little in the way of dividends. Now, the Korean car manufacturer Hyundai has taken this criticism seriously. Recently, the car giant announced that they will set up an independent committee within the company's board of directors to improve decision-making by reflecting minority shareholders' rights. The potential for better corporate governance and increased influence made an impression on the market and pushed the Hyundai share price up just after the announcement. Those of you who know SKAGEN well will know that Hyundai has been in the portfolios of two of our equity funds, SKAGEN Kontiki and SKAGEN Global, and has been among the best contributors over long periods of time. Hyundai is one of the largest car manufacturers of the world, along with its subsidiary Kia. SKAGEN has made almost 164 million euros in profits in Hyundai since we started investing in the company. For the full overview of which companies the portfolio managers have bought and sold in April, please take a look at the status report for the individual funds, which can be found on our web pages. Those were the highlights for April, and just as a final note, you might be interested to hear that we will be launching a new high-concentration equity fund, SKAGEN Focus, at the end of May. You'll find lots of information about the fund as well as interviews with the portfolio managers on our web pages. Thank you for watching.